Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. If I say there is a way to solve this without using calculus, today on Math Solver 1117, I will show you the shortcut top students don't want to share. This is a high school math problem. Y equals 1 plus 2 sine 2x by 4 minus cos 2x. You have to find the maximum and minimum without using calculus. For this purpose, first of all consider, let's suppose t equals tan x. T equals tan x, and this is the substitution method. So we will make a right angle triangle to elaborate this, that how we consider t equal tan x. Here is the angle x and the base of this triangle is 1 because tan x equal t by 1 and height equals t, and this side is by Pythagorean theorem equals 1 plus t square. In this way we will write the value of sin x and cos x. So sin x equals t by square root 1 plus t square, and the cos x equals 1 by 1 plus t square. Now we have sin 2x. So we apply the formula of sin 2x, that is equal 2 into sin of x cos of x. So we will put the values from this. So we get sin 2x equal 2 into sin of x, that is t over 1 plus t square, and cos x is 1 over 1 plus t square. So we get sin 2x equal 2t divided by 1 plus t square. Now we will write the value of cos 2x. According to formula, cos 2x equals cos square x minus sin square x. Now substitute the values in this and you will get cos x, that is equal 1 over 1 plus t square. So by taking square it will become 1 over 1 plus t square minus sin x equal t over 1 plus t square. So by taking square of this we will get t over 1 plus t square. Now by taking the LCM we will get 1 plus t square and 1 minus t square. Now we have the value of cos 2x and also have the value of sin 2x. We will substitute these values in this equation. Now we will substitute the values and get y equals 1 plus 2 into sin 2x means 2t divided by 1 plus t square, and here we have 4 minus 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. Now we will take the LCM is 1 plus t square and then get 1 plus t square, 2 multiply 2 4, so 4t, and in the denominator we will again get the LCM 1 plus t square and 4 is multiplied by this, so we get 4 plus 4t square and minus 1 plus t square. Now this will be equals 1 plus t square is cancelled by 1 plus t square, and we have t square plus 4t plus 1 divided by 5t square plus 3. Now we will multiply this by y. Now we will multiply this by y and get 5t square y plus 3y minus t square minus 4t minus 1 equals 0. Now this equation will become 5y minus 1 t square minus 4t plus 3y minus 1 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation. Now in this equation we have value of a is 5y minus 1, value of b is minus 4 and value of c is 3y plus 1. Now we will substitute these value in this formula, that is b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal 0 to find the coordinates of y. So b square minus 4ac greater than or equal 0, we will put the values in this and get minus 4 square minus 4 into a is 5y minus 1 and c is 3y minus 1. And this is greater than or equal 0. By solving this, we will get minus 60y square plus 32y plus 12 and this is greater than or equal 0. Which implies that we will get two answers for y. y1 equals 4 minus square root of 61 divided by 15 and y2 equals 4 plus square root 61 divided by 15. These are the two values for y1 and y2. So now we will write the answer. This is the minimum because this is negative. So this is minimum and this will be the maximum. So here you can see that how without using calculus we have solved a function value and also find the maximum and minimum of this function. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video we will solve more interesting high school math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.